Hello everyone, my name is Qi Lao and I'm the part-time student from the Wawasan Open University. So today I'm going to present about the influences of the rationalism in Malaysia media and public discourse. So first, let us talk about the rationalism. So what is the rationalism? The rationalism mean is using the logic, fact, and reason before we believe something, and is more focused on the proof and evidence instead of superstitions. So for this rationalism, it is encouraged people to think critically and question information. Example like during the daily, sometimes we get the information maybe from our friend, from our colleague. We will ask them, bro, where you get this information? This we can call it something like the rationalism. So nowadays, because we can say most of the people get the high education, so it change how people believe the news, discuss the issue, and make the decision. At least got the proof and the evidence. Okay, so the first is how rationalism influence on our media content. So if you have the take note on our media, you will saw that most of our media they have checked the fact before publishing the news. Example like our My Chat Malaysia, it used to confirm the news accuracy. Also, during the pandemic COVID-19, the news report have included the evidence and expert like the opinion, how many person got COVID, how many person got vaccine, and this kind of the data they not write in the news only. They will write down oh this source from where, maybe from like the KKM, something else. Okay, and then for the this slide is show you that the example of my Malaysia. So in this page you can show that okay, here will show you okay what the news is the real one, what the news is the fake one, and this is the one of the latest fake news. Majikan Arab bekerja guna Bukti 95. So it will explain to you okay this is the fake news and something else to help us know okay what news can believe, what news cannot believe. After that is how about the rationalism influence the public discourse. So the first one is the people will more careful before believe or sharing the information because we will check the fact first using the official source to verify like the scam message before we reacting. Also, the second one is we will encourage to think logically before acting. In Malaysia, we got some campaign like Jangan Kena Scam, and this campaign will teach people to think before we click the link or something else. Also, it will ask people to stay calm and avoid an emotional decision. Okay, and this slide is show you that this is one of the example of the Jangan Kena Scam campaigns. So why we need to do this? This educate people to know about the scam. Okay, and the last one is the conclusion. The conclusion is show you that the rationalism now has to change the way public to receive and understand the information. Also, our media now share the evidence-based news to build public trust, and then the fake news control and the scam prevention will use the logical education to protect our society. Also, we have promote the nationalism through the platform like the My Chat Malaysia and Jangan Kena Scam campaign. So overall, this rational thinking I believe it will help our society to make better decision and support a safer and more informed Malaysia. Okay, thank you.